Hi guys, here I am working on something a little bit different today. I'm currently making my first ever fursuit for my friend. His persona is a possum. It is my first time doing this, so I'll show you the process. Here I am trying to work out how to make a curved muzzle. Here it is connected with both the upper and lower jaw connected to the main head. Here I am working on some eyebrows. I ended up using thinner foam 1 centimeter instead of the usual 2 centimeter, so it was a thinner transition for the nose bridge. And yeah, here is what it looks like so far. Here I am lining up a template for the side of the mouth. This is where I want the smile to curl up and down because he's got a cheeky little smile. As you can see, I've shaved it down on the lower half so it kind of goes in at a gradient just to make that mouth more prominent. I've also added on cheeks just to make his cheeks a little more padded because he has quite a rounded face and I wanted to bulk that out a little bit. Then I went and made a template for the ears. Here I am sizing them up against the side of the head. And then I went and cut them out of foam and the inner ear goes in a little bit, so I cut that in, and here you can see I've kind of hollowed out the insides a little bit and I've attached it to the head itself. And now this is after I've added the other ear and I've added a nose and I've kind of done a bit more shaping around the sides. I still want to sort out underneath the chin as it's still a bit bulky, but I'm pretty happy with how this is turning out. It does need a little bit of cleanup. As you can see, some parts are a little bit jagged, but yeah, I think this will be, oh, there's my finger. I think this will be ready to be duct taped over the weekend. I've taped up the head, ready to make a pattern. As you can see, I've only done one side because I can just mirror it on the other, and I'm using this to make the fur for his face and the head. I also added in magnets in for his hair, and I lined the inside of the mouth with fleece and added in some little teeth. And let's not forget the tongue. I made the eyes out of warbler and buckram, and here he is now that he's got all of his skin on, looking very cute. And looking even cuter when he actually has eyes. I added fleece around the outside edge just to neat them up a little bit, and here he is with his stitches on. Almost done. And here he is, the finished result. I hope you liked it. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to give me a subscribe and tell me what you'd like to see in the future. Thanks a lot guys, bye!